We're starting in File Explorer, Excel file. Columns, contractor names, addresses, correct amounts, dates. Now, I'll open the first contract. I'm going to manually copy the key information. First, the contractor name, their address, then the contract value, and finally, the contract date. Just a quick format change here to display the amount as currency. All right, on to the next one. I'll open Contract 2 and select the next row in Excel. The Proactive Assistant pops up. It says, I noticed you started filling out another contract detail. Is this a repetitive task? I'll click Yes. I continue filling out the contract details, address, contract amount, date. Now, another helpful prompt. I noticed you changed the value and date. The AI is confirming the formatting preference it observed. Yes, and it learns from that confirmation. So, let's test that. Clicking into the next available row in my spreadsheet, the assistant recognizes the pattern and asks for confirmation. Yes, please. And just like that, all the information is automatically filled and correctly formatted.